Oakley dokley. Alright, second part. So these are the smart car wheels, which this one here is a 7, and this is going to be the donor. So this is what I'm working with here. So I've dialed this to 0 on this edge here, this very edge there, because that is the only edge which is actually straight on this wheel. That's not really showing exactly what I want. So what we got? 40, 40. Because these are 7s, that is exactly the same. Both those sections there, that section there, or that section there. But if you look at the back, I know that's even worse than the front. So what I've got to do is I've got to set my XY table up again, clear off the lathe, set up the XY table, cut that off, get rid of that, that's all garbage. Then I'm going to straighten this edge up a little bit. I don't know why somebody's done it with heat on the past on this smart car wheel. I mean, they have taken some smacking in the past. But no, all you do is just heat it up in the oven and just give it a little tap with a rubber mallet until it looks straight. Then just stick it on the lathe, heat it up a little bit, give it a tiny little tap. I mean, this looks like it's done with oxyacetylene. Anyway, I've done one wheel upstairs. I shall show that now. I shall just pause out and go woo, woo, and there we are. We're back upstairs again. So this is one which I've already done. This one wasn't so bad on the outside edge. I gave that a straight, but the actual 8-inch wheel at the bottom, it was wobbly as well, and the rear end of this wheel also wants straightened up. I'm going to do the best I can with that. But yeah, so that is the 7-inch, which I've basically trimmed down. It doesn't quite fit into this wheel anywhere, so what I've done is beneath these welds, what I did is I just did a build-up weld on this inside edge, chucked it back on the lathe, gave it a skim, and then it indexed down and dropped in absolutely lovely. This is working out as 9 1/4 inches. But yes, so next thing I've got to do is go and set up the XY table so I can cut the other 7-inch down. I chopped this one out with a grinder and it just took forever, but unfortunately, that's the back of that other one. Unfortunately, when that is still in place, it won't pass through the nut on my center mount. So to get that to fit in, I've got to machine this one down, then cut the center out, and then offer it in and just keep machining the 8-inch until it accepts the 7-inch. But yes, it is. It's bad because normally what I would do is I would just mount the wheel on the 17-inch faceplate, but unfortunately, because this is just so out and wibbly wobbly, it just, I couldn't get it to true. Oh, the joys, the joys, the joys. The joys of working with scrap donor wheels. Wouldn't this be nice if people just wanted brand new hoops, 3-piece rims? But they do. I don't want to do them. They look horrible. Anyway, like, share and subscribe, guys. Catch you soon. Bye.